guess the people buying these G-Wagons, I guess they think the G-Wagon comes with a free parking pass to a handicap spot. I don't think that's how it works. Looks like we got somebody blocking a handicap spot, man. See if we can't get him on video. I can't make any waves down here and piss anybody off, but I can take some video. That's Amazon. I can't say anything to him, but I don't want to piss off anybody down here. Hey, he's parking a handicap. Hey, tell him he's supposed to put in the courier. He's parked in the wrong spot. What's that police is going to tell him to get out of that spot? Anyway, it looks to me like the police made this. I think the police, he made this Amazon driver move out of that handicap. Maybe that guy won't do that again. That's the same van, the Amazon. It's the same Amazon driver that was parked in that blocking that handicap spot. And Brookhaven police told that guy, you need to get out of that parking spot, man. Anyway, that's how you do it. I'm glad to see the police making that gentleman get out of that handicap spot, man. Anyway, we're gonna roll off to the next one. This is a tow trucker that just pulled up over here and noticed this van right here. We'll take a look at that. Oh, that's not parked very nice. Yeah, take it off. What's going on, man?
You know, man, sometimes the guys over there, you know, and the night, I know it's from park, I know.
Yeah, I know, it's just a handicap.
Yeah, I'll move it up, yeah.
Okay, appreciate it. Anyway, he said he's gonna move it, so maybe he won't do that again. Anyway, yeah, here we go again, man. Got a handicap parking cheater right here, man. Man, these people, they do this stuff everywhere, man. This is ridiculous. I can't tow enough of these damn handicap cheaters, man. I just can't get enough of them. Anyway, I'm gonna get out real quick, man, and try to put chains on this one. I don't want this one to get away. It's gonna be a tough car to get loaded, but I'm gonna get it. That's pretty hard angle. Pull that one out. I broke my snatch block, but I need a new one anyway. Anyway, time to roll out. These people, they park in these handicap spots, man, and they hardly ever get caught. Just once in a while they get caught up, man. I've never seen any other tow companies tow a handicap parking cheater. I guess we're the only people that do it. I don't know. Anyway, we'll roll out to the next car. Got him. Gotta love that right there. Yeah, it's this one here. This your car?
Yeah, that's mine.
Well, you got a handicap placard?
No, I don't.
But you can't park in a handicap spot.
Yeah, the thing is, I park my car over there because I'm doing some groceries, right? So I unload the groceries, but the thing is, I lost my key, my car key.
Yeah.
No one is living in that building. It was someone was living in there, but now nobody is living there. So the thing is, the reason I didn't move my car is because I lost the key. There is nothing wrong with the car. There is nothing. I mean, I respect the law. That's the reason.
Yeah. I understand.
That's why
I understand, but the handicap spots, man. That building's got people living in that building. The whole building. I mean, it's not wholly empty. The whole building ain't empty.
Yeah, right? but no one is handicapped over there.
Well, that don't mean people ain't coming into town that live there that have people that are coming to visit them that are handicapped. You know what I'm saying? Mothers, fathers, whoever might be handicapped. The people that live there.
Yeah, in some point,
that's the reason. Right, yeah. That's the reason the handicaps are there, is for that reason. Anyway, long story short, if you want to pay it out, you can pay. It's a $100 drop fee on property if you want to pay it out.
You want me to pay $100 for what?
Well, it ain't me want to. It's you. You have to pay a $100 drop fee if you want it off the truck. Otherwise, I can tow it to the yard and you pay $175. I mean, that's just how the law is. I'm not trying to be hard on you, but this car right here, the same thing with it, man. If I get it hooked, they're gonna have to pay it out.
Yeah, man, I understand, man. When the car is, I'm telling you, what's the reason, man? It's not that I just park it because I wanted to keep it over there. No, makes sense. There are parking lots over there, empty.
I understand it, but listen, it would have a handicap tag or handicap placard, or you can't get caught. Yeah, it's a $500 fine.
I have no handicap, man.
Okay.
Why should I park in? That it was raining, that's the reason. And I had the groceries, so I parked nearby. But the thing is, I lost the key. I don't have the key.
I understand. Well, it's up to you if you want to. I mean, I see you're from Washington. I know the laws are different out there. They don't tow shit out there in Washington.
No, but still, man, we have to respect the laws. I understand.
Well, listen, like I said, if you want to pay it out, that's up to you. If you want to pay it out, it's entirely up to you. If you want to pay the drop fee, if not, I'll tow it to our yard. It's entirely up to you.
Come on, man, don't give me a hard time, bro.
Help
me out, man.
Listen, this is what I do, man. This is what I do for a living.
Yeah, I know, man, but
I can't drop the car without receiving payment.
The thing is, man, if I have the money, I will pay the $100. Can you help me out? I give you $50, man, and just drop it on the nearby.
It's a $100 drop fee.
I know, man.
It's a $100 drop fee, and it's not my money. That's company money. And that's just how it is.
And when do you put the sticker?
The sticker, I don't know. It was day before or yesterday or yesterday?
It was yesterday.
Okay, it was yesterday. How long has the car been sitting in that spot?
Probably, I would say 2 days. Come on, man.
Now listen, it's not. I mean, I'm not going to drop the car unless you give me $100, man. I mean, I'm not. This is what I do. I do this for a living, man. I treat people respectfully. Yeah. I hadn't disrespected you or being mean to you.
Man, me neither.
But I tow cars, and I do this stuff by the book, man. And your car was in a handicapped spot, and it got yanked. That's just how. I mean, that's just how it is, man. Where do you want to put it at, man? Just get your $100 out, man. Or do it. You could call. You can call the number and pay with a credit card if you want. Just call and pay it out, man. I'll drop it. Otherwise, I'm gonna load that one.
Okay, hold on. Let me see. I'm doing carpet cleaning to living.
Okay.
I can give you $50 now. If you need a service, I will come and I will give you more than.
Listen, man, it's $100. It's not me. It's company. I'm not gonna put the money in my pocket, man. A ticket gets wrote. The office gets notified that your car was towed. It ain't no you pay the driver. This other states say you pay the guy, he puts some money in his pocket, man. Yeah, this shit gets rolled up, turned into the state, man.
Okay, so yeah,
you want to put it back at the same building?
Yeah, in the same
building.
building.
I can't put it in the same spot because it's handicapped, but we'll find a spot to put it at.
If you can put it like the parking lot before.
That's fine. You tell me where I can get straight and offload it, and I'll put it in there.
Okay.
This freaking guy. He's trying to get a reduced rate. Yeah, sure.